I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. No need to be somber. Look with eyes that can see beyond the veil, for you have that opportunity now to see more clearly. The physical eyes and the metaphysical so-called third eye that exists at the top of the triangle of the physical eyes and the forehead there, that pinnacle is activating. Your light is shining. Third eyes are opening. Awarenesses are coming in depending on how the strands work in your body and how your body processes third eye information. Some of you process third eye information very distinctly in the third eye as visions. Some of you activate it as an inner knowing or feeling. Some of you activate it as a hearing. So clairsentient, clairaudient, clairvoyant, these different aspects are activating in all of you. The way to be connected is to find the vibration of the earth. So the new healed whole Mother Earth vibration is also seeping into the third dimension. There are areas in the actual 3D world that are heightening in their frequency. There are actual physical frequencies, as there always have been on the planet. Certain vortices, certain spots on the planet where the energy vibration and the veils were thinner, you could feel the higher planes. But now there are actually higher vibrational stations, if you would, that are fully anchored in the physical plane through their full anchoring with the new healed whole Mother Earth. And so it's important to understand that the new healed whole Mother Earth exists juxtaposed up against the old Mother Earth, the old Gaia that's in the process of death thereof. The two are coming together. It's almost unfathomable to see a death and a birth happening simultaneously rather than in a specific cycle or pattern. But that is exactly what is happening. The birth and the death of the new Mother Earth and the death of the old Mother Earth happen at the same time. So it does create that chaotic reaction that changes the weather patterns on the planet, that shifts around all the elements as the Earth's elemental bodies are shifting and raising their vibration, and that begins to flood out, burn out, break down old systems that no longer work. Sometimes as human beings, especially human beings that you are, who become more aware, more sensitive, and more conscious, you have a feeling of overwhelm, and how do we make these changes? You don't have to make the changes are happening. Make the changes within yourself. Step by step, increment by increment, you move forward. You move forward. I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame.